Okay, the seat is attached to the bike via the seat post, and this will also be off the bike when you get it. It has a lever here, it's like the ones that are on the wheels. If I turn that, see how it just drops down into the seat tube. So the seat post rests in the seat tube, and I can pull it out. You see how it get very high. It has a marking on it for what's too high. I'm thinking start with about, typically I say about 3 inches of seat post showing, and then adjust it from there. But if you look at this seat, you'll see that it also has the ability to be adjusted on the post. So you see it's got this clamp that holds it in place, and you can, if you turn it over, you'll see that there's another hex here, and it's also a size 6 like on the handlebars. If I loosen that, you see how this starts to move, and I can slide this back and forth if I want to give myself a little more room, move my seat back a little bit from the handlebars and move it a little bit closer. It also is able to be adjusted. It sort of will rock back and forth. There's a, to see how I'm changing the angle of it will also change. If I loosen it up enough, there's a, see how I can shift the angle of it back and forth. And if I want the front of the seat to be up a tiny bit or down a tiny bit, some people like one or the other. You can adjust that all through that one nut on the back, and then tighten it back up again once you get it where you want it to be. For when you first get the bike, I think it's going to be roughly in the right position. Just go ahead and set it into the seat post and tighten it up, and you can make adjustments after you've ridden it for a while.